Are you struggling with oily skin? Need a face wipes to clean the skin oil-free for long? Then you are in the right place. With the best face wipes for oily skin, you can get rid of the sticky feeling. An oily face may be harder to cleanse as it is more likely to retain dirt and grime. In this video, I will tell you top 5 best face wipes for oily skin that got thousands of positive reviews in Amazon and other websites. So keep watching this video. Number 5. Honest Beauty Makeup Remover Wipes. Honest Beauty makes a super gentle form of facial wipes. These are alcohol and fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, pH balanced, and completely vegan. These wipes remove makeup, dirt, and excess oil infused with grapeseed and olive oils that moisturize the skin. These wipes are suitable for all skin types. They are travel-friendly. Also, the wipes are free from parabens, platelets, and silicones. You can have access to a product that removes toxins and harmful chemicals while still being effective. It's a winner. It dissolves oil stuck deep down the pores, also keeps the pores unclogged and the skin fresh and supple. They remove impurities that clog pores. The wipes are safe for sensitive skin. They cleanse the skin and give it a refined texture. Number 4. Burt Bees Facial Cleansing Towelettes. The Burt Bees Facial Cleansing Towelettes revitalize the rejuvenate and the skin with a gentle cleanse. As for specific ingredients, grapefruit extract, lemongrass extract, tea tree oil, and witch hazel are amazing ingredients to have in your skincare rituals if your skin is prone to acne. These ingredients leave your skin feeling refreshed and soft. The facial wipes gently cleanse and tone your skin. They remove the pore clogging dirt, oil, and makeup. These are perfect to have when traveling or just on the go after being outdoors and before going to events. Go to refresh your face. They are gentle on the skin and do not leave any oily residue behind. The wipes are safe even around the eyes area. Number 3. GarnierSkinActive Purifying Oil-Free Cleansing Towelettes. The Garnier Oil-Free Cleansing Towelettes deeply cleanse the skin and remove dirt, oil, and makeup. The wipes are infused with charcoal and that draws out impurities that cause blackheads. The oil control from this is top-notch as well, especially when combined with their matching face wash. These wipes will help detoxify and purify your pores. They are gentle to be used to remove eye makeup too. The packaging is nice and easy to pop into your purse. They have been a game changer for me. They control my oily skin, have helped with my breakouts, and are great on my sensitive skin. These soft, breathable facial wipes are suitable for all skin types. They come in a reseal pack that keeps the remaining wipes from drying out. The wipes can even remove stubborn waterproof mascara. They are gentle on the eyes and are suitable for those wearing contact lenses. Number 2. Burt Daily Face Cleansing Wipes. The Burt Daily Face Cleansing Clothes are pre-moistened wipes. These help clear dirt and oil from your face. It's good at lifting all that dirt out of your pores and significantly reduce acne breakout. They effectively cleanse pores and exfoliate the skin. You can also use this before a workout. They are natural and they have a lot of nutrition for the skin in them. They don't leave a lot of residue on the skin and they are great for taking off makeup. They can help reduce the chances of post-workout blemishes. The wipes leave no oil residue behind. You get the benefit of an exfoliating cleanse or makeup remover and also combat blackheads and oil buildup. They can also be used by contact lens wearers. Number 1. RMS Beauty The Ultimate Makeup Remover Wipes. These facial wipes are soaked with organic coconut oil, renowned for its antibacterial and cleansing properties. They are also alcohol and fragrance-free, which is important to maintaining the health of your skin. These use anywhere wipes melt away makeup, cleanse often, and moisturize the skin all in one, making them perfect for even lazy face washers. They cleanse the skin without stripping or irritating, nourish and moisturize sensitive skin while being safe for use near delicate eye area and lashes. Helps to soothe rashes and sunburn, calms and softens post-shave skin. especially helpful for blemish-prone skin and gentle enough for babies. I love coconut fragrance so that the fact that these smell like sweet coconut is a plus for me, not a negative.